Hey, it's Jim from Delano Mountain Custom Models. So this is an addendum video to the Kato SD45, custom numbered 7603. I shot the video and my client in Australia said, hey, I wanted working classification lights. I said, no problem. So there you go. And those of course work independently. And of course the rear ones work on F6 and the front ones work on F5. And so if the engine was sitting there waiting for its next assignment, that's, you know, many times you would see the classification lights on. So anyhow, I just thought that was a neat little lighting addition. And they look much better in person than they do in the video. There's kind of, the red is kind of spread out more. I think it's because of the amount of light that's, because I don't have as much light where I'm shooting here, but in person they look really nice. So alright, thanks a lot, and I'll get that video up for the pricing very soon. Alright, bye.